Okay, start drinking your thing and start burping.
Or can I do burp right now?
Ready, set, go. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, wait. We need to, there's a thing I can do, and it's like the world record biggest burps. Okay.
Okay, wait. Drink the soda, dude. Drink the soda. So proud of you, Levi. The burping crew.
My eyes are watering because of how big I didn't even burp that much. You ran out of your burp.
Wait, drink some more. Mountain Dew, the perfect burping.
No, this is beer. I got it in the Viking.
Yeah. No, dude, it's Mountain Dew, bro.
No, we need to get this in the Viking. Beer, and it has to be bubble.
My man.
Stop.
No, go finish your beers. Your Mountain Dews.
No beer, get it right.
Mountain Dews, bros. Hey, Levi, this is what drink Grandpa likes. Grandpa Wayne, who you're named after. Grandpa Wayne.
No, that's my great-grandpa's name, but he died.
Levi's name is Levi Wayne.
Murphy.
And he's named after his grandpa.
My great-grandpa's name is Wayne Hathaway. Wayne R. Hathaway.
Nice.
My great-grandpa's name is R.
Wait, do that again. No, Dab, over there, so I can see you, dude. You keep coming up too close to the thing. Wow.